What up, Bassheads? Another beautiful day here in southern central Kentucky. But we've got some problems with the Saturn, like always. I mean, this thing just, it's one thing after another. We're going to get into some of the problems with the audio part of it a little bit later in the video. But as you see, I got my 6K back in here. There's a reason why. It's nothing I did. We'll talk about that, though. But I've also had the problems with the misfire issue, and I've went above and beyond to try to get this thing fixed. I put a whole new catalytic converter. It's got 2 new O2 sensors, upstream and downstream, brand new coil packs, brand new spark plugs. These camshaft position sensors, they're not that old. I got them like last year sometime. I don't know if they've went bad, but I would doubt it. That looks greasy and old, and it's kind of like wired weird, but it's a new camshaft sensor. I have never replaced the mass flow sensor or whatever. And I've never messed with the fuel injection. I'm gonna tell you a little details real quick, what's going on, what I found out though. This thing's been misfiring, random misfire, but I checked the coils, I unplugged each one, and all of them would bog down except for this one. I guess it's either number 2 or the number 3, whatever, but you can unplug this one, it doesn't do anything different. But I don't think the plug's messed up, or it's the coil pack, because I've switched them out. I'm thinking maybe the fuel injection right there. So I'm going to take all the intake off and check the throttle body and all that stuff, you know. It's been a while since I've took any of that apart. You know, it's got old hose. This car had set for a few years, so I tried to fix it up. I've got some kind of crazy oil leak now. There's oil getting deposited all over the engine. But this is a daily driver, and I do drive it to work every day. It is freaking beautiful out. You know, we always love that here on Bass Junkie 2020, because when it's like this, boy, that's when you see the most flex and everything. And Slamology is next weekend. I can't believe it. I've got to get this thing fixed. I'm going to be working on it all day and all night and all day tomorrow if I have to. I still got to get them DS18 speakers in, the mid-range and the other tweeters. Boom Daddy's supposed to come out today, but he said he'll come out tomorrow. So, watching, we'll get to it. I gotta go down and holler at my uncle real quick, and I'll be right back. So stay tuned to Bass Junkie 2020.
A few moments later.
Well, I got the fuel injection all took out. Here they all are. The old injectors. They were dirty. I took a toothpick and cleaned them out, and I got my uncle picking up some injector cleaner for me. Here's the fuel rail. It had some buildup in it. Here's some of the black stuff that was in it. Look at that. That was inside here. You still see that one. I'm about to clean that one out. Look how gunked up it is. I've only cleaned them so much because I need the cleaner. Throttle body. It's old. I need a new throttle body probably too, but these fuel injectors, you can see shit down in them. This is the one that ain't firing. I took a toothpick down in it. It looks like it's got quite a bit of buildup. Let's see if it'll focus down in there. It's kind of hard to see, but they're all kind of gunked up. But I'm gonna clean them here in a minute. I need to replace them. I'll probably just order them, take it back off and do it again throughout this week. Hopefully that's the problem. Tony said something about a timing set screw or some shit. I don't know where that is. Timing would be over here. That's the JS250 alt right there. Got the 0 gauge going back for the lithium. You can see a little better now that I got all the throttle body, all the intake stuff off. See 0 gauge coming from. I used a red wire for the ground. That's this one, this American Base one, Mega Flex. Big boy wire, it's grounded right there. But it's still, I know it's ground, so. Anyway, I'm gonna keep messing with this. Wait for him to get back with that cleaner, and then we'll get to talking about what happened to the 13.5K. Stay tuned. Bass Junkie 2020. We'll be right back. And while I'm thinking about it, my uncle done said if I can't get the car straight, I could get a dolly and use his truck to go to Slamology, or I could just use the truck. So we'll see how good I can get it going, whether I bring it or not. But I at least want to make it to Slamology, and that way I can film y'all's rides and get demos from y'all. Hopefully I can get her fixed. We're working on her. So if not, I'll just be taking this truck. I might pull her up there and just run her like she is with the 6K. Oh, there's a big old dragonfly, look. What's wrong with you, buddy? Yeah, so if I can't get the old Saturn here fixed up, then I might just be coming in the truck, you know. You'll see me at the sundown show, so don't worry. Here comes my uncle now in my dad's truck. He just dropped my dad off, so he's got the injection cleaner and stuff, so we're gonna get on that. All right, this is what he brought me, both of these. This is the Lucas. I'm gonna run this in the gas tank after I do clean them myself. And then, you know, I'll test it out. I'm gonna use this. You got the parts cleaner degreaser. So it'll be good to clean a lot of stuff on here, but I know they sell like a injector cleaner, but this will work just to break down the grease in them or whatever. So we'll hit that up in there real quick. They're both Lucas. So we'll clean it up. We'll see what happens. It'll determine whether I buy new injectors or not and whether I need them. Stay tuned. All right, guys. I cleaned them out the best I could. I'm gonna put them back on, and then I'll put the fuel pump relay and fuse back on, which I got that out inside the car. There's the fuse there. There's the relay. They go up in there. That's for my 4-channel there, but they go up in there. So let me put this back together, then put that all in, and then I'll leave these unhooked and see if they spray out. So stay tuned. Old wackadoodle. Yeah, well, I tested her out. It ran a little better, but that number 3 cylinder ain't firing. It ain't the coil pack. It ain't the spark plug. I do have 2 cracks in 2 of the fuel injectors, but it's not the one that's not firing. I'm gonna get some new fuel injectors, but I don't know, dudes. I mean, I gotta figure out what's going on with this quick. I'll mess with it again tomorrow, and I may be putting those speakers in. If not, I'll just get it there like it is. If I can't get it there, then like I said, I'll just be taking the truck up there. At least I'll be at Slam. That way I can see y'all stuff. Well, dudes, you know, do what I can. Like I said, no matter what, we're gonna be going to Slam. So I'll be seeing you guys there. Can't wait to get some demos from y'all. I'm gonna put them up here on the channel. It's gonna be some epic content. It's gonna be awesome this year. Whether you guys get to get in my car or not, at least you get to go at the sundown show. I'll have something. If I don't have that going, the Slap Saturn, I'll have something else by then. Because I should probably already did it, but I keep putting money in this. Maybe I can figure it out. I don't know. This one's a little tricky. But it's all good. I can't wait to see you guys at Slamology this next coming weekend, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe so you ain't going to miss none of the epic content that I'm going to be putting up. And with that being said, y'all, I will be letting you guys know what happened to the other amp before next weekend. I might make the video tomorrow about it, so stay tuned. Subscribe to Bass Junkie 2020 and hit that like button. Like!
Real action speaks loud the words and words and adjectives. I live the life to give the gift. Not each first, second, and third. What you think, what she said, or what you heard, nerd. You know you look like that God just made. You never work your life before tangles up. I'm not a sucker, always going for my colorful. I'm going from the start, and he will always. Sometimes I'm even higher than the others believe. I'm not attacking out of porn. I don't have a degree. I have a key to so spoken. It'll be a bit of me. You take me clock. You suck as a line of cash for. You and I'm gonna burn as I recite these rhymes. 187, he's the hardest to praise. And I don't have a flag about the size of my guns, son. I'm mean, some fuck them insane. And if I get too mad, I have to airplane. For position, I'm so innocent, you got the way it should be. The way I get over, I use some of that lunch. That's comprehensive with this, because I'm really not related to the style that you hear every day. These boys, these torn and torn, and torn out the other suckers while these spread. I'm only 7 minutes in your own mind. So take the end of the scene and cross it for me one. I'm rich as a bitch. I put that on my wrist. Push your button on this real force. That's detonation on the road to riches bare feet. Me, I watch mama struggle, now she living carefree. That's why I hustle for them 30 feet. Left in the concrete. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.